Don't be Salaye I dey see so. Na him o. Salaye. Salaye.
Yes.
Where you dey go?
I dey go for night club.
You dey go for night work? Wetin be night work?
Night work is hookup.
Salaye, you dey go for hookup?
Yes.
When you start to dey do hookup?
No.
Salaye, na you start to dey do hookup.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sẹ̀.
Who say make you do hookup?
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ní lọ introduction mi sí.
Why you wan go dey do hookup?
Owó ń bẹ́ẹ̀. There is money in the hookup business.
Salaye, there is money in the hookup business.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Salaye, what of your agbo wey you dey sell?
Kí lọ sọ?
Your agbo wey you dey sell?
Àgbo mọ́rìn nìyẹn. Morning ni agbo. Night is for the hookup business.
Money agbo. Salaye, why you no concentrate on your agbo wey you dey sell?
I still dey sell am now. Mo ṣì ń tà. Ìyẹn morning ni. Yìí máa ṣe hookup lálẹ́, yìí máa tàgbo láàárọ̀.
How much they wan come pay you like this for your hookup?
10,000.
10,000 naira.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, 10,000.
For how many days?
Days ibi ti bo. It's for 1 hour.
10,000 for 1 hour.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Salaye, why you come dress like this?
You like am? You like it?
Salaye, I color your to do so.
Kí ni jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ o?
You can't even wear eyeglass join am.
It's all for fun.
Hey, Salaye, which kind of shoe you can't wear like this?
It's shoe. It's for the work.
But you no come dey waka wear as you wear am na.
Why I no dey waka well? You no see as I dey waka.
E no balance for your leg na, Salaye.
Ìwọ lọmọ ohun èmi ò mọ ohun. Mo sáà ti wọ bàtà.
Small make you no fall.
Thank you. Ṣé mo lè máa lọ?
You fit dey go.
Wetin make I bring for you for the hookup if you dey come?
Salaye, you wan bring something for me?
Yes.
No worry, I no want anything. Dey go.
Okay.